Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to fix Twitch app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So first, just simply go to the Google Play Store, and after that, just simply tap on the search at the bottom and go for the top and search for the app. And after that, just simply tap on the app. And when there is an update, you should be able to see here update button instead of open. And make sure you are running the latest version. And just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now for the second solution, just simply go to the settings into your device and scroll down and go for the apps. And after that, just simply find the Twitch application over here. And now just simply go ahead and tap on it. And after that, just simply go for the storage and tap on clear cache. And if you still have issues with the app, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK. And you should be able to reset the application. Now, the next solution, just simply hold the app and uninstall it. Tap on OK and go to the Google Play Store and just simply reinstall it back again into your device. And you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If you still have any issues with the app, just simply comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya.